Hello, everyone. This is Stephen Allison with AA Digital Media. AA Digital Media is a growth hacking agency that's based in Apopka, Florida. And today we're going to do a digital marketing mini series on Google Ads. So we're specifically going to talk about Google Ads for home services. So if you're a home service business that's inside of this space, whether you're a plumber, gutter cleaning, house cleanings, landscaping, chimney sweepers, roofing repairs, dryer vent cleanings, installs and repairs, you do duct work, your paint and drywall repair, or in the solar industry, this presentation is specifically made for you. So our agenda today, we're going to talk about what is Google Ads. We're going to talk about the benefits of Google Ads for home service businesses. We're also going to talk about the cost of Google Ads, why Google Ads work, and key takeaways from the presentation. So let's jump into it. What is Google Ads? Google Ads, formerly Google AdWords and Google AdWords Express, is an online advertising solution that businesses use to promote their products and services on Google Search, YouTube, and other sites across the web. This could include independent sites like Yahoo, Bing, and other affiliated sites that Google works with. Google Ads also allows advertisers to choose specific goals for their ads, like driving phone calls or website visits. So think in terms of lead generation, brand awareness, or engagement. Google offers all of these tools for you and your business to be able to attract new clients depending on the goals that your business is looking for. And right here is an example of what Google Ad looked like. So typically when you type in the search engine, anything you're looking for. In this particular case, I did dentist in Florida since I'm located in Florida. And as you can see, the top 3 results on this page are ads. And they're highlighted by a little ad beside them. So this right here is a clear indicator when you're doing your searches, whether you're accustomed to what an ad looks like or not. These are where the ad placements are on each Google search. They could be the top 3 placement or the bottom 3 placement on the first, second, or third page of Google. Let's talk about the benefits of Google Ads for home service businesses. So if you're a home service business, there's really a lot of benefits that go into this, but really what I chose to pick were 6 benefits that I think that really highlight and drive home what your business is looking to do. So the first is targeted advertising. With targeted advertising, you're able to take your ads and specifically target not only to the person that you're looking to target, whether that's the demographics or the psychographics, but you're also able to specifically target by location. So if you are a plumber located in Orlando, Florida, you're able to specifically go into the Google platform and pick out what zip codes that you want to provide services in. If you want to do the whole entire city of Orlando, you're able to do the whole entire city and then set up a radius in that area, which is a fantastic way to be able to attract those people that, 1, are near your service area, or 2, those who live in your service area that don't know about your business. That way you're able to get your message in front of them. Number 2 is measurable ROI. With Google Analytics, we're able to go in and specifically see where the crowd is coming from, really where your traffic's coming from, and what type of person is purchasing your products. This way that you can go back in and really build a robust campaign and or effective advertising strategy to go after those individuals that are interested in your product or service right now. Brand exposure. Google Ads is a fantastic way for you to be able to promote your brand, not only on the Google sites, but also the Google family sites. Google also offers brand exposure. Brand awareness leads to trust, meaning the more recognition of your brand has, the more successful your business will be. It is the foundation of acquiring customer audience and helping them understand and become more comfortable with your products and or services, increasing your overall brand equity. Immediate impact. Your campaign may get immediate impact or results within 2 to 4 weeks, or maybe it will take a couple of months before you start to see any traction. The truth is, how long Google Ads takes to show results depend on multiple factors, ad spend being just one of those. You may see immediate results depending on how robust your ad campaign is and your ad spend, or it may take some time. But at the end of the day, you will see and ROI from your ad spend with Google. Google Ads platform is such a powerful tool that you have the ability to not only advertise from a local perspective, but if you have products that can be shipped out not only from your local area, but from a national or global audience, you're able to set that up within the ad campaign as well. Limit your spend. Because Google is such a flexible platform, you're able to submit your spending for whatever your budget may be. Let's say that you have a $1,500 a month budget for this month, but you're looking to extend that budget going into the holiday season. With Google Ads platform, you have the flexibility to increase or decrease your ad budget at will. Cost of Google Ads. Google Ads are based on auction systems, which rewards businesses who have the highest quality ad campaigns with lower cost and better ad placement. The average cost per click is between $2 and $6 on Google Search Network and is considerably less on Google's display network. The most expensive keyword on Google costs around $500 or more per click. I'm looking at you, attorneys. Why Google Ads work? Google Ads may or may not work for your business depending on the competitiveness of the keyword for which you're bidding and your budget. For example, if you are an attorney in Los Angeles, California, and you have a $1,500 a month budget, but each cost per click costs $500, that means that you've burned your monthly budget out with 3 clicks. So this may not be an effective way for you to advertise your business. But Google Ads is extremely effective for many different types of businesses, as long as they don't waste their money on the wrong keyword. Low click-through rate ads, which means targeting the right keywords that match up with your business, and also making sure that you also have your landing page and the quality of your ads all incongruent with one another. Google really puts emphasis on this, and we're going to reward you for having the best quality keyword, the best ad copy, and the best congruent landing page that lines up with all 3 of those metrics. So, key takeaways from today's presentation. Google Ads boost your online business by promoting and selling your services to a broader audience. Home service businesses are perfect for Google Ads because businesses that tend to address more immediate customer needs by offering more essential services. That means more people are actually looking for you on Google and really honing in on what your business is and their immediate need, which helps boost your business brand and helps you become top of mind. With Google Ads, you have the ability to quickly adapt these changes, business needs by adjusting spends, pivoting focus to different services, changing target locations, switching up ad scheduling, which means that you can put your ideal message in front of your ideal customer at any time that you want. This is the flexibility and the beauty of the Google Ads platform, especially for the home service industry. I want to thank you all for attending my presentation today. Once again, my name is Stephen Allison. I'm with AA Digital Media. If you have any questions in regards to the information that I spilled out today, please don't hesitate to reach out. My email, phone number, and website's here. Once again, Stephen Allison with AA Digital Media. We are a lead generation agency and growth hacking agency based here in Apopka, Florida, that specializes helping home service businesses get more leads. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.